Pakistan, distracted by catastrophic floods, might not be the easiest place right now to have a baby. But the pregnant women of Pakistan have no choice. So we at SKT are there to help them, with your help. For a donation of just £250, we offer a maternity package, which will cover a new mother's journey to hospital, her baby's delivery, medication and aftercare, and her journey homeward with her new baby. A different way for your donation to make a difference by helping Pakistan's mothers-to-be. Do something amazing and help a child's beginnings into this world, a safe, secure and caring one. Maternity support for just a £250 donation, supporting new mothers and babies in flooded Pakistan.